they're not really pushing that hard, but they had a couple opportunities to come around and they hadn't done it. Let them get going. We're coming into, where are we coming into? Crawford? Lexington? I don't know. I just told you we're coming into something. We really don't have any business taking off. We got so much to do. Good grief. Union Point, Woodville to the right. Just don't know where we're going to end up tonight. Somewhere along 20, I guess. Crawford, Georgia. We hadn't got to Lexington yet. It's funny how you can say something and then no more got it out of your mouth and you've forgotten what you said. Yeah, the Athens Fair. I wish I'd thought about that. That probably would have done that instead of coming off down here. That would have been a good video. I think tonight's the last night, too. September 20th. Well, the county fair here is 24th to the 28th. Oh, I'm going to be cat sitting for my daughter that week. Well, anyway, maybe it's 15th through the 24th. Maybe the Athens Fair is 15th through the 24th. We'll figure it out. We'll check it out and see. If we can make a fair, that'd be a good video. Nice sky. More traffic than I would have thought. But this is US 78. County. We need to check that place out. We'll have a good farm supply. We still got our eye open for another Jeep, Grand Cherokee, or a van. We can't buy but one more thing though, and then we'll have to do something. Sell some stuff, get rid of some stuff, do something. That 98 ZJ Grand Cherokee, that 5.9 limited edition, there were 16,000 of them made with that 5.9. The body's in good shape. The interior needs a lot. It needs some electrical work. I think the engine's going to be okay. The girl said transmission was good. Then what I was going to do tomorrow is check the differentials and transfer cases in all three Jeeps and the differential in this. We'll have to put that off till Tuesday, I guess. All we've gotten here lately is automotive videos, so we'll have a couple of driving videos now. I'm trying to get at least 2 up tonight, maybe 3 if we have a good connection. Trying to get a night drive. Coming up on East 22, left will take you, where's it going to take you up there to? Elberton? take you to Comer. Coming into Lexington. Crawfordville straight ahead, Washington straight ahead. 78, 10, and 22. US 78, Georgia 10, and Georgia 22, and Junction, Georgia 77. State Patrol, GSP. Y'all slow down. Get off my bumper. We better slow down here. Okay, Jackrabbit, you can get off our bumper. We came to Washington not long ago and did a bike ride and did a tour of Washington. Hartville to the left. That must be Georgia 77. Yep. We went to Hartville the other day. Went through Royston. Did we get those videos up of the old locomotives? We've got so much video we need to get uploaded. And this one's 7. We'll go to 10 on this one. We get to Washington. I don't know if we're going to stay on 78. We'll check and see which way we want to go. Or whether we'll go further, turn further south instead of east and pick up at I-20. So it's 7 o'clock now. Time we find a place, settle in, get a couple of videos uploaded, it'd be 9:30. 10 o'clock at least. Crawfordville to the right. That's Georgia 22. Do we have Crawfordville? We need to go to Crawfordville. Have taken 35-40 minutes to get back to the shop. We were already on the east side of Athens, so I said, well, shoot, I'd be halfway to Augusta by the time I get back to the shop. So that's what we did. I don't think there's any camping in Kettle Creek. I don't remember if there's a gate or not. That'd be a nice place to stay. We've got our generator. We've got our batteries. We need to crank our generator. We haven't cranked it in a while. Of course, we've got our solar generator. see, they had these temporary red lights. They're working on one side of the bridge, so you got green coming the other way. This way they don't have to have somebody out here all the time. They can have one lane closed and have the red light. That's pretty neat. Good way to do it. I'm glad we kept it running. Yeah, we can see our instrument cluster a whole lot better now. Isn't that nice? The fuel gauge isn't acting quite as crazy as it was. We've got, how many miles? We've got 90 miles on it, and it's still showing full though, so that's not right. Of course, it usually takes about 100 miles for it to start going down, but it's still past the, okay, it just dropped all the way down to nothing. Now flip back to full. I've seen these red light things like this before, but it's a wonder they didn't have that a long time ago. That's a good way to do it. I mean, you look at labor costs, those things will pay for themselves in no time. Okay, let's turn this off. This will be a wrap